what can AI do for my business, right? That is actually the wrong question to ask. The wrong question to ask, okay? The reason is because AI can pretty much do anything that a human can do, provided that you can fully digitize the process, right? If you can fully digitize the process, you will have the data to train the AI to mimic what we do. So the real question that a company should ask is, what can you digitize, right? This is another argument why you need to digitally transform your business, right? Because now you will have those digital data to train your artificial intelligence. So there's actually lots of applications of AI out there. But there's actually 4 that's actually very, very important today, okay, in the recent years. And let's go through each one of them. The 4 major categories of applications of AI. The first category is basically what we call perceptual AI, okay? So perceptual AI are basically, think of them as basically chatbots and digital assistants. These are what we call perceptual AI, right? Sometimes they're also called cognitive AI, because these are actually AIs that actually mimic higher cognitive function of a human, such as image recognition, speech processing, right, to understand what you want, right? So these are cognitive AI, perceptual AI, right? And the biggest applications of perceptual AI is in this human-computer interaction. And there's no surprise to that, right? Because now if you have a machine that could, see things as you do, can understand your language, can speak to you using your language, so you didn't have to write code, right? Of course, you're going to interact with the machine a lot better. Now, the next class is really what we call internet AI. Internet generates lots of data, right? And if you feed those data into our AI system, our learning loop, right? These AI can actually learn your preference. They can actually learn what you like and what you don't like, right? And Amazon and Netflix are some of the early pioneers of this, right? And basically, the biggest applications of internet AI is recommender system. And now we actually use this for lots of personalization applications, right? Because now if you know what people like, what they prefer, right, you can actually personalize their experience for them, right? So this one is actually very easy, right? I'm sure a lot of you have experienced this. If you watch Netflix or something like that, right? Or if you subscribe to Spotify, you experience this, right? So this is basically internet AI, and sometimes they call personalization AI, because the biggest applications of this internet AI is in personalization, okay? Okay, so the third class that's actually very, very important today is autonomous AI. Autonomous AI, guess what the biggest application of autonomous AI is? Self-driving car, right? Biggest applications of autonomous AI is self-driving car. They actually drive a lot of development there. But autonomous AI actually have lots of applications beyond self-driving car, before autonomous vehicle. It actually has applications in robotic, IoT, connected machine, right? All these applications where machines or parts of machine need to talk to other parts of machine, right, to resolve conflict so they actually could function autonomously. Okay, so that's autonomous AI, right? And the last class is really what we call business AI. Now, business AI, the biggest applications is business decision and automation. You need to automate business decisions and decision as well, right? So now these tend to be very, very specific to the business domain, right? For example, you can see some here, right? So fraud detection, right, is one of them. Some experts have to decide, look at some traffic pattern or behavior pattern, determine whether this is a fraud or not, right? Now, if you actually give this data to the AI can actually look at these behavior patterns and decide for you whether this is likely to be a fraud or not, right? And likewise, algorithmic trading, right? And analysts traditionally have to look at the stock market and actually decide which one stock to recommend, which one not to, right? And if you give all this data to an AI, the AI could actually help you make those decisions. So pros here is also one kind of business AI, right? What are some of the decisions that we automate, given your understanding of pros? Pricing, right? Infinite number of ways is to price your product, right? Which one, how should you price it, right? And which opportunity to go after, right? There's a decision that people have to make at some point. Now we could just automate those for you. Part of, I would say, knowing how to choose AI that's right for you comes down to the ability to spot some pretenders. Okay, so because AI is a hype now. Everybody want to jump on this AI bandwagon. Everybody, pretty much, if you're in the Silicon Valley, right? If you trying to get VC funding, if you don't have AI in your technology portfolio, you're probably not going to get funded. So everybody want to say they do AI, okay? So, but are they really doing AI? And are those AI actually useful for you, right? Now, the difference between this type of AI, this cognitive AI, and business AI is that like, these business AI actually directly solve your business problem. So just using one of the pros tool application that we built, right? Opportunity detection. Basically, it recommends opportunity for people, for salespeople, right? And the salespeople can either accept the opportunity or reject the opportunity. And based on those acceptance and rejection of the opportunity, this AI will learn what kind of opportunity this salesperson actually like, and recommend more of the opportunity that he actually like to pursue, right? And we can actually take longer-term feedback data, such as which of these opportunities actually close, and use those data to recommend opportunity that's actually more appropriate for this salesperson. Maybe this salesperson is really ambitious. He said, I want to take the biggest deal, right? But maybe he can't close all of them, right? And that's not good for anyone, right? So this AI will actually learn which deals actually close and use that feedback to update their model so they actually recommend more appropriate opportunity for this sales. Okay? Solving your business problem better every single time you use it. That's the difference between this business AI and this cognitive AI, right? And so the value proposition for this business AI is that every time you use it, you actually get a better and smarter decision. Well, so one thing is that it can actually improve your customer experience. Okay, so the AI actually could do a lot of things for you. Okay, like I said before, lots and lots of applications out there, right? But there's actually 3 major business outcomes that they could drive. One is improve customer experience. 2 is actually increase efficiency of your business. And the third one is actually help you grow revenue. Okay, lots and lots of things that AI can do. Like, and there's actually lots and lots of AI out there, right? But these are the 4 major class of AI, and these are the 3 major business outcomes that it can drive.